Wednesday finally came. It felt like we were never going to reach Wednesday. Everyone has been waiting for this day, and it finally came. At around 12:30, Big Brother gathered all the envelope holders to the lounge. He said they should come along with their envelopes to the lounge and face the screen, the TV screen, which they did. Mzansi, Swiss, BK, and Uyanda gathered in the lounge. Nervously so. My goat was cooking, I told you. He was cooking, and today he dished up. And he said to them, he will call them each by their name, and they are to proceed to the boiler room, which is located outside of the house, next to the fire pits. And first we called was Nsuku. Nsuku had already been crying, and Big Brother called her. She went into the boiler room, and upon arrival, Big Brother had announced to all those who had entered the boiler room that they are being offered to purchase any treat from what Big Brother had shown them on the screen, and the purchase money will be deducted from the 2 million grand prize. So each offer basis from 5k if you're buying for yourself, and then 10k if you're buying for you and a fellow housemate. So with every 15 seconds passing, it means people will keep on adding 5k or 10k, depending on whether you're buying for yourself alone or yourself and a fellow housemate. So Nsuku was asked who she's buying for. Is it for herself, or she'd like to buy for a fellow housemate also? Nsuku said she'll buy for herself and a fellow housemate, Muzi the Mbuzi. The timer went on. Nsuku chose a cosmetic skincare for herself and Muzi the Mbuzi. It was quite disappointing because I thought she was going to take a spa because she likes massages. I don't know what happened there. Well and good. She was instructed, like everybody else was instructed, that they are not to share what happened in the boiler room. It remains there. Even the person that they chose to purchase for, they are not to be told. So Nsuku left and had spent 10k from my calculations. Then Big Brother called on Swiss. Swiss went, he was panicking. My brother was tatazening, couldn't believe it. As soon as he got there, Big Brother asked, how many envelopes does he have? Swiss said 2 and showed 2 envelopes. So Big Brother said, for this session you will only be using 1 envelope. And then was asked, are you purchasing for yourself and a fellow housemate? He just said himself. And Swiss chose party hosting. He wants to host a party. Okay, well and good. Swiss spent 5k. That's like 15k from my calculations. Then Big Brother called BK. BK went, the same was explained to him. The same was explained. You are to raise that buy thing and shout buy. No, the guy was there chilling and said nothing. And he wasted 20k because he couldn't get the instructions correctly. So he was asked who he's buying for, and he said it's for himself and Sweet Golova. He chose football jerseys. 20k gone just like that from the 2 million. The winner this year will not have money, guys. From BK spent 20k because of his time wasting and lack of understanding of the rules. Then came Uyanda. Uyanda too chose to buy for himself and Abobo, and he chose cosmetics and skincare. It cost him 10,000. So from my calculations, 45,000 rand has been deducted from the 2 million. The winner this year is practically living with nothing, because from that amount, it's like from the 2 million minus 45,000. Uyanda also has 2 envelopes, so he will be called again for something different, surely. So from that 2 million minus 45,000, there's also tax. This money is taxed. The winner is getting nothing this season. My goat is cooking. Big brother, my goat, we are cooking. Continue cooking. The second round, it must be something heavy, my guy. Come on. Big brother, you owe it to us. Let it be heavy, let it hit hard. But anyway, this doesn't shock me. I've seen it from other reality shows that I watch. If you watch The Challenge, you know something like this has happened in a reality TV show before. So yeah, it's 2 million minus 45,000. So the winner will currently have, I calculated it, 1,955,000. Oh, Nkosiyama. Oh, minus the tax. Oh. Anyway, I'm just a couch potato with an opinion.